My dear children, how are you? Hope that all are doing well. Today we are going to study the world around us. Unit 6 Health. Worksheet number 7, page number 61. Let's identify and label the activities. Here you can see the pictures of some activities and some words are also given in the box above. I will read the words in the box: walking, swimming, playing, skipping, cycling. Then the pictures are also given. First one is playing. The children are playing. Isn't it? Playing. The children are playing. Then what is the second picture? Yes, swimming, isn't it? It is swimming. A boy is swimming. Swimming. A boy is swimming. Then what is the third picture? Yes, it is walking, isn't it? A boy is walking. Walking. A boy is walking. Then fourth one. What is the girl doing? Yes, skipping, isn't it? A girl is skipping. Skipping. A girl is skipping. Then what is the last one? Yes, it's cycling, isn't it? A boy is cycling. Cycling. A boy is cycling. I will read once more. Playing. The children are playing. Swimming. A boy is swimming. Walking. A boy is walking. Skipping. A girl is skipping. Cycling. A boy is cycling. Here some pictures are given. You have to match with the words given. Then worksheet number 8, page number 62. Here are some habits. You have to match the sentences on the right side. Some pictures are given and on the right side some sentences are given. You have to match it. Let's match the following. First one, what is the boy doing? Yes, he is using a dustbin, isn't it? Use dustbin. You have to match use dustbin. You have to draw a line to the sentence use dustbin. Then what is the second picture? Yes, a boy is washing his hands, isn't it? Wash hands. You have to draw a line to wash hands. Then which is the third one? Yes, a leg wearing slippers, isn't it? Use slippers. You have to draw a line to use slippers. Then which is the fourth one? Something is covered, isn't it? Some food items are covered. Cover food. We must cover the food, isn't it? Otherwise, it will be polluted, isn't it? So, you have to draw a line to the sentence cover food. Then, which is the last one? Don't waste water. Don't waste water. Assessment 5, page number 63. Let's fill the blanks. Dash is a healthy food. Milk, cola, soft drink. Which is the answer? As milk. You know, milk is a healthy food, isn't it? Then second one, we should eat dash food. Fresh, junk, tin. Which is the answer? Yes, we should eat fresh food, isn't it? We must not eat junk food and tin foods. So, what is the answer here? Yes, we should eat fresh food. Third one, drink dash water. Pure, impure. Yes, we know we have to drink only pure water, isn't it? Drink pure water. Fourth one, dash is good for health. Traveling exercise. Which is good for health? Yes, exercise, isn't it? Exercise is good for health. Wash your dash before and after eating. Hands, face. What you have to do is wash your hands, isn't it? Wash your hands before and after eating. I will read for you once more. Milk is a healthy food. We should eat fresh food. Drink pure water. Exercise is good for health. Wash your hands before and after eating. Then the next one, circle the odd one. Brushing, cooking, bathing, sleeping. Here some habits are given, isn't it? Which is not a habit? Yes, cooking. So you have to circle that odd one, cooking. Then second one, burger, noodles, fried chicken. Fresh fruits. Which is the odd one? Yes, fresh fruits is the odd one, isn't it? Fresh fruits are healthy, isn't it? Fresh fruits are healthy food. So you have to round circle the odd one, that is fresh fruits. Walking, playing, running, watching TV. Walking, playing, running, etc. are, yes, exercises, isn't it? But watching TV, walking, playing, running, these all are good for health, isn't it? But watching TV is not good for health. So watching TV is the odd one, you have to circle that. Chicken, egg, fish, orange. Which is the odd one? Yes, you know, orange is a fruit, isn't it? So you have to circle orange. Ears, nose, eyes, legs. Which is the odd one? Yes, ears, nose, eyes are sense organs, isn't it? So legs are the odd one. You have to circle that odd one. First one, cooking. Second, fresh fruits. Third, watching TV. Fourth, orange. 5, legs. These are the words you have to circle. So all of you do these exercises and send it to your teacher. Okay, bye bye.